These guys have like 15 types of gathia.
ये मरी वाले, ये मेथी वाले, ये टमटम खट्टे मीठे।
Beautiful place where you can see the sunset. The only place where you can get garam gathias. They have a small pond here. This is Annapurna Dining Hall. 70 rupees. You get like Gujarati thali. Good afternoon from Bhavnagar. And I just freshened up. I'm gonna go and explore the city, but the weather in Bhavnagar is so hot that I had to wear a wet t-shirt. This is a very steep kind of ladder. I'm gonna try some local food. The very famous local food here is gathia, and the other one is Bhavnagari Sev. I'm here at a place which is 2 kilometers away from my hostel. It's a very famous place if you want to try gathia. It's called Mannu Bhai Gathia Wada. Right here, there's some construction work going on, but that one there. मैं एक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ.
हाँ वीडियो बनाओ. ये मरी वाला है, ये नाइलॉन, ये पाँव गाठिया है. तीनों फेमस है भावनगर के.
तो ये वाला नायलॉन है.
हाँ.
और ये वाला
मरी मसाला, ये तीखा.
अच्छा तीखा है. This is the whole range of their shop that they have. So they also have a few things that you can try, like you know, look at that. ये है क्या ये?
ये मैंने के लोट की चटपटी है। ये चौड़ा पड़ी है।
अच्छा ये चोरा फोड़ी है. ओके.
पौवानो आवे ने आ गया पौवानो।
इसमें छोटा पैकेट आता है.
ये छोटा ही।
ये छोटा है. I really like the chora padi that they have, and this is the nylon gathia. This is the tikha gathia that I'm gonna get. और एक ये दे दो ना, चोरा पड़ी दे दो. These are like good snacks because if you wanna go and travel, like if you go to places where you won't get like late night food, then this is the place that you're gonna get. And you know, these guys are also importing their stuff all the way to the US and Canada. This is their smallest pack, by the way. इसमें नाम नहीं है. अच्छा इधर है क्या?
नाम है पीछे है।
अच्छा पीछे है.
इसके नाम लिखा है।
कहाँ लिखा है? नाम कहाँ है?
ये देखो।
अच्छा अच्छा ओके. दिस इज वाइट पौवा चेवड़ो.
पापड़ चेवड़ा।
दिस इज पापड़ चेवड़ा. ये क्या है?
वो पालक मकाई का चेवड़ा है।
ओके तो ये सब चेवड़ा है. प्रॉब्लम इज आई कैन रीड दिस बिकॉज इट्स इन गुजराती. These are all the items that they have. These guys have like 15 types of gathia. I've got the spicy one, but he's going to show me all the other kinds of. There you go. That is all types.
ये मरी वाले, ये मेथी वाले, ये टमटम खट्टे मीठे, ये पालक है, आलू वाले।
So it's got names on it. This is Mari Masala Gathia. This is Tum Tum. This is Fulwadi Gathia. This is Palak Gathia. This is Methi Gathia. And what is this? This is Jeera Gathia.
मालूम पड़ेगा कि नहीं ये बढ़िया है।
नहीं वो तो है. मैंने नाम तो बहुत सुना है.
उसकी वजह से ये मैंने निकाल दिया. आपने मेरे को दिया ना कि ये जो मैंने निकाल.
चलो ठीक है, डाल दो आपके हिसाब से. डन. और ये दोनों सेम है क्या? ये फुलवड़ी.
ये चने के लोट की आती है. चने और अरहर के लोट की चौड़ा फ्राई इसको बोलते हैं. टेस्ट कीजिए. और ये मैदे की आती है.
मैदे की.
मैदे की इसको चटपटी बोलते हैं. इसको चौड़ा फ्राई बोलते हैं.
Seriously, these are like amazing snacks. This is the first time I'm trying it, but it is amazing. That is the owner. Malik. So this is my stuff. Chalo bhai, thank you so much. This is their shop. Like all of this is theirs. They are called as Mannu Bhai. They are called as Mannu Bhai Gathia Wada. This place is called as the DSP office area, or like the rubber factory is that way. So you can ask people if you wanna come to this place. You can ask where the rubber factory is. My box is actually full, so I'm gonna have to tie this somewhere here. I'm gonna go and try to eat the hot, freshly made gathias as well, but that's gonna open in the next 1 hour. So until then, I'm gonna go and visit a garden, which is a nearby garden that I'm gonna visit, and then I'm gonna come back and try the local gathias, like freshly made. It was very hard to find entry because the entry is so small. You see that one there? That is the only entry to this lake. Beautiful place where you can see the sunset. I'm not sure if you can go all the way in there. So gathia is more of a breakfast thing, you know. So like it's very hard to find freshly made gathias in the evening. So they normally tend to get cold. Another very famous dish in Bhavnagar is the bhakarwadi, which I'm going to try to get from somewhere. I've already got enough snacks, so that will last me a very long time for the rest of my trip. This is the lake. We're going to take some 360 shots in this. This place is called as Tadav or Talav, and there's no other name for it. Talav basically means a lake. These guys are taking me to eat some garam gathia. यही है ना चलो एंड दिस गाइस रियली अमेजिंग थैंक यू भाई लेके आने के लिए क्या नाम है आपका हुसैन और आपका रेहान चला गया सो दिस इज़ द प्लेस आ जाओ द ओनली प्लेस वेयर यू कैन गेट गरम गाठियाज हेलो अंकल ये क्या है
बटेटा
ये मसाला वाला है क्या
मसाला वाला।
अच्छा ओके पैक कर दो
अरे हमको जाना है बाहर
आप लेके जाओ घर पे लेके जाओ ये क्या लिखा है भाई भगवती गाठिया ओके चलो भाई आप लेके जाओ बिल्कुल ठीक है थैंक यू सो मच चलो भाई there we go time to do a test so I've got the jalebi this is the masala aloo this is the gathiyas freshly made and this is the chutneys this is the salad actually papaya salad chilies this is a little bit of a sweet and spicy chutney. It's so spicy.
Yeah.
This one is good. Another famous thing you can eat is Bhavnagari Sev and Bhakarwadi, which is if I eat this, like I can't take stuff like this home because I already have a lot of things, and then I'm gonna go to another places, so that much is gonna be enough for me. But the rest of that, if you're traveling from here to your home, you can definitely buy a lot of stuff. This is the Shashwana Chowk if you want to come and have this gathia here. And I'm gonna go back to my hostel and leave all this stuff and go and have a proper Gujarati thali near the railway station. So that is Sardar Bagh, and in front of Sardar Bagh they have a Ganpati, because it's Ganpati time right now. So I've left my bike there. Down there, Sardar Bagh. Not gonna waste too much time here. I'm gonna go to a place called as Sasan Gir, which is where the Gir National Forest is. So I'm gonna go there. It's about 210 kilometers from Bhavnagar. So I'm gonna leave probably at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'll reach there about 12 o'clock maybe. They have a small pond here, but it's almost dry. Now one last thing to do for the day is to have dinner. And I am at this public bus stop. This is the Bhavnagar bus stop. And you have to go to a restaurant in the bus stop called as Annapurna. And here you will find proper authentic Gujarati thali. Now this restaurant has been suggested to me by local people. So I don't know where it is. I'm just gonna have to ask them. Oh, there it is. I can read that, Annapurna. So once you come from in there, it's very easy to find it. It's just like right here. Now I can't read a lot of Gujarati, but some Gujarati words are very similar to Hindi. So it says Annapurna Dining Hall, 70 rupees. You get like Gujarati thali. Thali.
70 rupees.
70 rupees. वो अनलिमिटेड है क्या? आप पार्सल भी कर दोगे? ये क्या है?
ये भाकरी है।
अच्छा ये
बाजरे का रोटला है।
ये रोटला है?
हाँ, बाजरे का। मकई का।
ओके। ये इसको भुंगड़ा बोलते हैं ना? खिचड़ी है।
चौड़ा बटेका।
चौरा पटेटा। क्या बोलते इसको? मिस कटोर।
इसमें चौड़ा है, मग है, चना की दाल है।
और ये क्या है?
सेव टमाटर।
सेव टमाटर, अच्छा।
ग्वार बटेका। कड़ी।
It's like a self-serve buffet, and this is what you get. So this is saved tomato. This is the, I think this is the rotla. This is the bhakri. This is the chapatis. A few different kind of veggies. This is what you call as bhungda. I've got achar. They also have curry there. Probably gonna go for round 2 because the food is so good. So I've just got my round 2, and there you go. And this time I've got the curry. This is made from like besan or gram flour. Take as much as you want and don't waste food, because you can always go and take some more. One thing I realized is that the curry is very sweet. Now the rest of the dishes were fine, but this is a little sweet for my taste. It's not bad, but it's just that like I think Gujarati people like sweet curry, because I'm not used to this kind of curry. This is the first time I'm eating sweet curry. It's sweet and sour, both mixed at the same time. Some more bhungdas. They also have unlimited chas or buttermilk in a can like this. And if you want a little spicy, they have this chas masala. So let's do that. Cheers. So good. Especially the weather of Bhavnagar is so hot today. Chas is so good for your body. It's good for digestion. In this restaurant, you always clean up after yourself. So you take this glass and this behind the buffet, you can leave it there. So you kind of go here, and yeah, you can leave your glass in there, and that is where you can wash your hands. I am so done with the food, and this was the last place in Bhavnagar for me to visit. It's about 9 o'clock in the night. I'm gonna go to Sasan Gir tomorrow morning. The food deal, that is the best deal you can get in I think the entire Bhavnagar city. You cannot get like food as cheap as that, and good food for like 70 rupees. So if you're in Bhavnagar anytime, you should definitely try that. So if you can see that bus stop right there, it's just like in the front. So I thought first initially it was gonna be somewhere on the top, but like it's just right there. So thank you for watching the Bhavnagar video. I'll see you in Sasangit. Bye bye.